Hello friends, myself Rasika Pagaria from Araham College. In last lecture, we were studying about the Patacharya and women, right? The word Patacharya refers to any form of social power given disappropriately to men. See, what is Patacharya? It is a word which refers to any form of social order that is given to a man. The word Patacharya literally means the rule of male or father. Patacharya originates from Greek word pater, is the anthropological term used to define the sociological condition where male member of the family turn to dominate in position of power, the more likely it is said the male will hold the position. Then we were looking at the term meaning. A Patacharya social system can be defined as a system where men are in authority over women in all aspects of society. In modern American culture and society, the idea of Patacharya is not acceptable or practiced as it once was decade ago. In today's progressive American society, women work in executive position, maintain leadership, role of organization, and are often decision maker in their household and community. Then characteristics of Patacharya: male dominances in the Patacharya system. Men makes all decisions in both society and in their family unit, hold all positions of power and authority and are considered superior. Then male identification. Men are concerned with identification that include qualities of control, strength, forcefulness, rationality, strong work ethic and competitiveness. Male centeredness. In a Patacharya system, the center of activity and procession is on men and what they do to move the society forward. Then obsession with control. See, men living in the Patacharya society must be controlled at all levels. They have a desire to control all social and political situation and must make all decisions regarding finance and education. Then structure of Patacharya. The Patacharya leads the woman to accept male control by father, brother, husband as the price of their protection from aggression by other males. See, the position of women do not exist in a vacuum. It exists only in relation to the position of men. Example दिया है, women in politics will take up places at local and national government that are currently held by men. Similarly, if women enters in job market, they take away jobs from men. The political and social system across the world favors the men to exercise their control and authority over the women. Most legal systems fail to criminalize circumstance where wife is forced to have sexual relation with the husband against her will. The practice of sati in India, genital mutilation in parts of Africa, ये सारे क्या थे prominent in this aspect थे. The cause of oppression found in developing countries is economic and social interdependency of women to make the males in the family. और अगर वुमेन नहीं सुनती थी तो उन पे क्या किया जाता था, एसिड अटैक किया जाता था या फिर दे वर सेट टू फायर, चोकिंग, स्टैबिंग, थ्रोइंग बॉइलिंग वाटर एंड ऑल ऐसे किया था. द मिडल एंड अपर क्लासेस आर लेस लाइक टू यूज वुमेन्स emergency housing where the threat to integrate of the family. It has been observed that the most working women are the victim of the subjugation and humiliation at personal and professional fronts in the developed country. The husband is reluctant to admit equal social and economic status of his wife. The cause of sexual harassment and subjugation go unobserved when the person accused of harassment is in position of power over the woman. The burning of Indian widows, the binding of the feet of Chinese girl children, female genital mutilation are the striking example, sharp enough and strange enough to throw a spotlight on obvious way in which women the world over submit to opposition. it is important to remember that all these practices are or were preserved under century of traditions, and the food binding was only definitely supported by a massive social and political revolution which had been preached by years of patient work by reform. Then nature of Patacharya in Indian society. Indian debates on socialism and Patacharya are complicated by a significant shift in the analysis. See, Indian debate क्या है on socialism and Patacharya are complicated by a significant shift in the analysis. The subject of reach and debate was not just capitalism and its relation to Patacharya. See, the subject of research. अब उस वक्त subject of research क्या था? The subject of research and debate was not just capitalism and its relation to Patacharya. Rather, Patacharya came to be discussed in terms of the mode of production and reproduction specific to Indian reality. See, अब क्या बोल रहा है? Rather, this Patacharya came to be discussed in terms of mode of production and reproduction specific to Indian realities. This were understood regarding the family and household, kingship and caste, culture and religious, and the Indian state whose policy have a dynamic bearing on all other social structure. See, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? This were understood, ये सब अपने को पता चलता है regarding the family and household, kinship and caste, culture and religion, and the Indian state whose policies have a dynamic bearing on all other social structure. Indian discussion addressed and added their concern to the more substantial feminist argument. Indian feminist analyze and arguments link the family and the economy to demonstrate how the economic power of men and their domination of production was crucially linked to and determined by the organization of the family and the household. See, Indian feminist क्या है? They analyze and argue, link the family and the economy to demonstrate how the economic power of men and their domination of production was linked to and determined by the organization of the family and the household. The household thus emergence as an important constituent of both production and Patacharya. See, यहाँ पे जो household है, they play an important role both in production and in a Patacharya. The sphere of reproduction was understood in terms of a sex-gender system, which identify with concert, social structure and relationship. In this case, kinship network. See, यहाँ पे क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं? The sphere of reproduction was understood in terms of sex-gender system, which identified with constant social structure and relationship. In this case, kinship network. Along with the household, kin networks were seen as central to both the along with the network, ये क्या है? They were also seen as a central to both the exercise of male power in the familial and the social context, as well as women's status or the lack of it at home and outside. Then see, यहाँ पे क्या है ना, वुमेन को ज़्यादा पावर थी नहीं, as well as women's status or lack of it at home and outside. Along with the household, kin networks were seen as central to both the exercise of male power in the familial and social condition, as well as women's status or lack of it at home and outside. Both production and reproduction were seen as involving exploitation of human labor on one hand and of a female reproductive capacity on the other hand. See, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? Production and reproduction were seen in involving exploitation of human labor. और एक तरफ क्या है? ह्यूमन लेबर को एक्सप्लॉइट हो रहा है, और दूसरी तरफ क्या है? फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव कैपेसिटी ऑन द अदर. The caste system was seen as central to both form of exploitation and as a link. See, ये जो caste system क्या है, the caste system क्या था, it seems to central to both the form of exploitation and as a linking them in exhibit way, and it was seen argued that distinctive caste pictures exist in India. And then moving towards the next para. Debates about capitalism and women's subordinations often became debate on developmental and the role of modern state. See, बहुत से debates हुए, debates about the capitalism and women's subordinations often became debate on the development and the role of the modern states.
Yes, sir.
This led to the theorizing of the state as both patriarchal and as a potential challenger of patriarchy. इनसे क्या हो गया? All this led to the theorizing of the state as both patriarchal and as a potential challenger of patriarchy. Various studies are available which is documenting the same. See, बहुत से स्टडीज़ अवेलेबल है जहाँ पे अपने को इन सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स के बारे में, इनके बारे में बहुत से पता चलता है. या इनविजिबिलिटी पोजिशन ऑफ वुमेन in the social, political and economic system is clearly more an outcome of the ideology governing public policy relating to women. See, their invisibility. See, अभी बहुत जन को क्या है, ये वुमेन की पोजीशन ख़राब है, ये सब दिखता ही नहीं. द इनविजिबिलिटी पोजीशन ऑफ वुमेन इन द सोशल, political and economic system is clearly more an outcome. It is nothing but it is more an outcome of the ideological governing public policy relating to women. Hence, women were noticeably absent from the discussion of development theory too. See, यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे लाइक वुमेन की कंडीशन इतनी ख़राब है, ये किसी को ध्यान में ही नहीं आ रहा था, ये जल्दी किसी को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था, राइट. और गवर्नमेंट भी कुछ भी एज इन एफर्ट्स नहीं ले रहा था ताकि इट कैन इम्प्रूव द कंडीशन ऑफ वुमेन एंड ऑल. ना ये वुमेन की कंडीशन ना इकोनॉमिकली, ना पॉलिटिकली, ना सोशली किसी को दिखाई दे रही थी. तो हैंस वुमेन्स वेर नोटिसेबली एब्सेंट. यहाँ पे क्या है, वुमेन्स वेर नोटिसेबली एब्सेंट फॉर द डिस्कशन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट थ्योरी टू. मतलब जब भी कोई डेवलपमेंट की बात होती है, जब भी डेवलपमेंट को लेके कोई डिस्कशन रहता था तो क्या थे, वुमेन्स वेर एब्सोल्युटली एब्सेंट. उनको कंसिडर ही नहीं किया जाता था वुमेन्स को यहाँ पे. देन विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज द लास्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज द लेवल्स ऑफ पथचरी. पथचरी is a social system in which men hold primary power and predominate in role of political leadership, authority, social and control of property. See, पथचर्या क्या है? It is a social system. पथचर्या it is nothing but it is a social system in which men holds primary power. जहाँ पे क्या है, सारे प्राइमरी पावर किसके पास रहते थे? It is in the hand of male. Okay, and predominate in the role of political leadership, authority, social and control of poverty. और क्या है, वो predominate करते थे in the political leadership, authority, social and control of property में. They used to predominate others. Then some Pacharia socials were also patrilineal, meaning that property and title are inherited by the male linkage. See, some patriarchal socials are also patrilineal, meaning that property and title are inherited by the male linkage. Patriarchas is associated with the set of ideas, a patriarchal ideology that acts to explain and justify these domains and attributes it to inherited natural differences between men and women. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, ये जो पचरीज क्या है, इज एसोसिएटेड विद द सेट ऑफ आइडियाज. पचरी किससे रिलेटेड है? इट इज़ रिलेटेड विद द सेट ऑफ आइडियाज. इसके अंदर आइडियोलॉजीज है जो आपको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, जो आपको जस्टिफाई करते हैं देयर डोमिनेंसेस और एट्रीब्यूट्स टू इट inheritance, natural differences between men and women. And they tell about the natural difference between the men and women. Sociologists turn to see Pacharyas as a social product and not as an outcome of inherited difference between the sexes, and they focus product attention on the way that gender role in a society affect power differential between men and women. See, it is all about the men and women, राइट. यहाँ पे किस तरह से डिफरेंस किया जाता था सेक्स के बीच में, और फोकस अटेंशन किसको ज़्यादा दिया जाता था, मेन को ही दिया जाता था. तो पचर्या क्या है, इट इज़ अ सोशल प्रोडक्ट, और इसका आउटकम क्या है, ये जो डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेक्स कर रहे हैं, बिटवीन द जेंडर कर रहे हैं, उसका असर क्या हो सकता है, ये सब बताया जा रहा है. हिस्टोरिकली Pacharia has manifested itself in a social, legal, political, religion and economic organization of a range of different culture. See, historically क्या है, Pacharia has manifested itself in the social, legal, political, religious and economic organization of a range of different culture. Even if not explicitly defined to be by their own constitution and law, most contemporary societies are in practice pictorial. See, even if not exhibited defined. See, अगर अच्छे से डिफाइन भी नहीं करो टू देयर ओन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सर्टन लॉज, सर्टन सोसाइटीज़ ने क्या किया है, दे ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस पिक्चोरियल्स. दिस टर्म इज सेंट्रल टू फेमिनिस्ट एनालिसिस and refer to a overarching views system of male dominance. See, this term is central to feminist analysis and refer to an overarching system of male dominances. Then moving towards the next point, views of Catte Millett. अभी अपन कुछ लोगों के व्यूज़ देखेंगे. तो सबसे पहले we will look at the views of the Catte Millett. Catte Millett, one of the earliest radical feminists to use the term in the 1970s. See, सबसे पहले कैटल मिलियट्स ने क्या किया था, of the earliest radical feminist. He was the radical feminist and he used this term. First he used this term in the 1970s. Developed on sociologist Max Weber's conception of domination to argue that throughout history the relation between the sex has been one of domination and subordination, in which men have exercised domination in two forms through social authority and economic force. See, अब क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे, see, अभी जो सोशियोलॉजिक मार्क्स वेबर क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये कंसेप्ट ऑफ डोमिनेशन टू आर्ग्यू दैट थ्रू आउट हिस्ट्री क्या है, ये जो रिलेशन बिटवीन द सेक्स हैज़ बीन वन ऑफ द डोमिनेटिंग एंड सबऑर्डिनेशन. ये क्या है, एक सबसे एक डोमिनेशन था, एक सबऑर्डिनेशन था, जहाँ पे क्या है, मेन को बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया है, मेन को बहुत ज़्यादा सोशल अथॉरिटी दी है, एंड मेन इज़ गिवन द इकोनॉमिक फोर्स. द एम्फोसाइज इज ऑन पचरी एज अ सिस्टम टू एस्टेब्लिश दैट men power over women is not an individual phenomena but is a part of structure. See, the emphasis is on Pacharia as a system. See, emphasis किस पर डाल रहे हैं अपन, Pacharia system पे डाल रहे हैं, so that we establish that men power women is not an individual phenomena but is a part of structure. ये अपने पार्ट का स्ट्रक्चर है कि सिर्फ मेन के हाथ में सारी पावर नहीं जानी चाहिए, इवन वुमेन शुड बी गिवन सम पावर. देन Gerda Lerner's view. The historian Gerda Lerner defines Pacharia thus. अब वो Pacharia को क्या बोल रहे हैं, defines the manifestation and institutionalization of male dominance over women and children in the family and the extension of male dominance over women in society in general. See, the manifestation and industrialization of male dominance over women. See, यहाँ पे क्या है, मेल डोमिनेट करते हैं वुमेन पे, बच्चों में, फैमिली में, राइट, और मेल क्या करते हैं, डोमिनेट ओवर वुमेन्स इन सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी में भी क्या है, वो वुमेन को डोमिनेट करते हैं इन जनरल में. इट इम्प्लाइज दैट मैन होल्ड पावर in all the important institution in society, are it that women are deprived of access to such power. See, अब क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, मेन को सारी पावर है, इम्पोर्टेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन रहने दो, कुछ भी रहने दो, हर जगह क्या है, मेन के पास ही सारी पावर दी हुई है। मेन ही सारे मेन को ही हर चीज़ के लिए एक्सेस दिया है और मेन ही मेजर इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन लेता है। और वुमेन आर डिप्राइव्ड, वुमेन के पास कोई पावर नहीं है, वुमेन के पास किसी भी चीज़ का एक्सेस नहीं है। This does not mean that every individual man is always in the dominant position and that every individual woman is always in a subordinate position. See, but इसका मतलब ये है क्या कि every man is always in a dominant position. Every man क्या है, हमेशा dominant position में रहेगा क्या, that every individual woman is always in a subordinate position. What it does not mean is that under Patracharya there is an ideology that men are superior to men. See, पच्चर्या में क्या है, आइडियोलॉजी है जहाँ पे अपन बोलते हैं men, women, see men are superior to women, that women are the property of men and that women should be under the control of men. See, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है, what it does not mean is that under पच्चर्या ये आइडियोलॉजी क्या है कि men superior to women नहीं है, ना ही वुमेन आर द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैन एंड वो वुमेन क्या है, उस मैन के कंट्रोल में नहीं रहनी चाहिए। देन कंट्रोल ओवर वुमेन सेक्सुअलिटी एंड लेबर पावर। नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कंट्रोल ऑफ वुमेन सेक्सुअलिटी अंडर पच्चरिया थॉट द स्ट्रिक्टली policed institutions of monogamous marriage, women labor power is controlled by men. See, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, apart from the control of women sexuality under Patracharya through the strictly policed institution of monogamy marriage, women's labor power is also controlled by men, women's productivity within the household and outside the control by men who will determine whether women will work outside the household or not. यहाँ पे क्या है, men decide करेगा कि बाबा वुमेन कब क्या करेगी, वुमेन बाहर जाके काम करेगी नहीं काम करेगी, everything would be decided by the men. To maintain this control over women's sexuality and labor, they are deprived of access to and ownership of productive resources which make them earlier dependent on men. See, ताकि see अभी वुमेन पे कंट्रोल करे सब करे, इसलिए क्या कर रहे हैं, दे आर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ एक्सेस टू एंड ओनरशिप ऑफ प्रोडक्टिव रिसोर्सेज विच मेक देम एंटायरली डिपेंडेंट ऑन देम. इससे क्या होता है, दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन मैन. फर्दर their mobility is limited through rules and norms that confine women within strict definite space. See, further क्या है, their mobility क्या है, वो एक लिमिटेड रहती है, लिमिटेड थ्रू रूल्स एंड नॉर्म्स और दैट, और फिर वुमेन को क्या है, ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं मिलता ग्रो करने के लिए. देन मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. Patracharya takes different form in different geographical regions and different historical periods. See, Patracharya क्या है, takes different form. Patracharya क्या है, they take all the different form in different geographical region and different historical period. For instance, as the historian Uma Chakravarti has pointed out. See, for instance क्या है, as a historian उमा चक्रवर्ती ने क्या पॉइंट आउट किया है, the experience of Patracharya is not the same among tribal women as among women in highly sacrificed caste society. See, for instance क्या है, उमा चक्रवर्ती क्या बोलती है, सी ये जो एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ पच्चरिया क्या है, ये सेम नहीं है ट्राइबल वुमेन के लिए एज वो अमंग वुमेन इन हाईली सेक्रीफाइस कास्ट सोसाइटी, सबके लिए सेम नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट द सेम टुडे एज इट वॉज इन द 19th सेंचुरी. सी, आज भी वो सेम नहीं है जो वो 19th सेंचुरी में था. एंड इट इज़ नॉट द सेम इन इंडिया एज इट इज़ द इंडस्ट्रियलाइज कंट्रीज ऑफ द वेस्ट. सी, इंडिया में भी सेम नहीं है, जो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में वो इंडिया में भी सेम नहीं रहेगा. द टर्म Pacharis is therefore found useful by feminist scholar to refer to this fluidity. See, so the term Pacharya क्या है, therefore found useful by feminist scholar. feminist scholar को ये term बहुत useful कर रहा, और ये it refers to अलग अलग fluidity. By using this approach, the linkage of Pacharya structure with other institutions are made visible with, for instance, class, caste, race, nation and religion. See, by using this approach क्या है, द लिंकेज ऑफ पिक्चरल स्ट्रक्चर क्या है with another institution is visible for instance class, race, nation and religion. For example, the socialist feminist Gilla Einstein uses the term capitalist pacharya to emphasize the mutually reinforming dialectical relationship between the capitalist class structure and hierarchical sexual structure. See, उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिया है, ये जो फेमिनिस्ट है जिल्ला आइंस्टाइन, उन्होंने ये टर्म कैपिटलिस्ट पच्चरिया यूज़ किया है सो दैट शी कैन री इन्फोर्स द डायलेक्टिकल रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन कैपिटलिस्ट क्लास स्ट्रक्चर एंड हायरार्किकल सेक्सुअल स्ट्रक्चर. अनदर सच टर्म इज ब्राह्मिकल पच्चरिया which Uma Chakravarti uses to draw attention to the intersection of caste and gender oppression. See, एक और such a term is another such term is Brahmically Pachariyas which Uma Chakravarti uses to draw attention to the intersection of caste and gender oppressions. See, we have winded up our whole syllabus here. All the best for your exam. If you have any doubt, just message me the page number and book and write your class and all. You can mail me on my mail ID. My mail ID is rasika.pagaria@arahamedu.in. Thank you.